Okay, welcome po tayo po. This is not the finals. Pampinali po ito. Wala na pang bukas for both teams. For the third time, they will square again para sa championships. Between, ano po natin yan, Team Cass wearing their own brown jersey versus ang Team AU po. Yan po, playing in blue po sila ngayon. Ano po itong liga to? Ito po ang Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. Anak paganda. Okay. This is your Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. Okay, ito po yun. Yan. And of course, this is brought by Team LBC and Thready Needles. And of course, SBB Ara at PSBQ. And before we start, we would like to say thank you for the following team who participated. Ano po yan po yung Hub Lounge, Oryx, Cure Towers, Sky Team, Boleros, Inflights, Cure Projects, Airport United, UDEP, Mechanicals, at last but not least po, yan po ang Team Cass. Maraming salamat po. And po see you again po next year sa ating another season po ng Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. And of course, ito po, we present now the finals. Before that, congratulations for Cure Towers for winning the game earlier po. Yan po, sila po yung third place sila po, or let's say second runner up na po over In-Flights. At the same time, ngayon na po, ito na ngayon ang pag-uusapan yun. For the third time, Cass versus Airport United para po sa kampyonato. Yan po yan. Cass versus In-Flights. Ang record po nito, nag-champion po ang Airport United. Okay, nag-cover po ito twice already. Then, kinuha po ng Cass ang kampyonato noong season. Kaya sila na naman puli ngayon. Yan. Kaya Cass and Airport United coming up. Mamaya po ito. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, we're just waiting now. Yeah. Yan na. Habang nangantay tayo, ano muna tayo? Special number muna tayo. Yan. Okay, game. Yan, ano po niya, anak niya Mampang yan, Dasselman. Mampang Dasselman. Okay, let's go now. Okay, we're about to start right now sa ating ligang ito. Ito na po ang ating pampinali. Ika nga, wala na pong bukas. Kaya congratulations po sa Cure Towers po for winning the ball game over. Ano po yan? Yan po ang Team In-Flights. Okay, Team In-Flights. Maraming salamat din po sa Team In-Flights din for participating. And of course, we're about to start right now sa ating championships between Cass versus Airport United. For the third time, mag-square na naman sila sa kampyonato. Okay. Siya naghahanda na po yung both teams po. Mampang, ipaklear niya para makupo na kayo doon. Yun ang bench nyo kasi. Yun ang bangko nyo, yun ang bench nyo. Yung paklear nila. Para makalo na kayo. Yun ang bench nyo. Yan, para simula na. Yan. Okay. Okay, first quarter coming up po yan. First quarter coming up. Mali yatang jersey din na niya, lumawag
Aviation Friendly Championship match between Airport
Cast. Part 3. Yan. Third na. Third installment na to sa 3. Yan. Yan. Sumawa na samahan dito. Huwag na lang. Sige. Okay, we're just waiting for the opening whistle sa ating po komponen na ito. Okay, part 3 na po ito ha. Airport United versus Cast number 3. O yan. Trilogy na ito kung tutusin. Trilogy na.
Starting lineup.
Okay. Take note po, ang Cast po ang defending champion. Airport United is challenging now the championship of Cast. At malalaman po natin po for another 40 minutes. 40 minutes after 40 minutes po.
Jersey number 3, Smith.
Okay.
Jersey number 70, Calillo. Jersey number 24, Lopez. And jersey number 5, Manson. For Cast. Starting lineup. We have jersey number 19, Tan. Jersey number 3, Anton. Jersey number 61, Gaston. Jersey number 5 and jersey number 28. Jersey number 48, Amamamba.
Okay, game na. Eto na. Sir Bautista. Good luck po sing ha. Okay. Bossing. Okay, punan na natin to. Okay, first quarter about to start right now. Nandiyan po sino ba? Si Smith, si Lopez, si Barantes, si Monson, at si Calillo. Sa kabila po, nandiyan po si Canton, Castor, nandiyan si Perez, at sampo natin po dyan si Mr. Tan. Yan. First quarter po tayo po ngayon. First quarter coming up na po sa ating final finale po. Grand finale po tayo ngayon ng Aviation Friendly League dubbed as the Flying League. And also thank you po sa SPB ARA or ako representation for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. And of course, po natin po dyan ang PSB Basketball League. And of course, this game is brought by Team LB sa Halen Padala. At saan po natin dyan ang Thread and Needles. Okay, first possession, nakuha ni Nando, nakuha ni Tan, Canton, and Castor. Tan.
14 shots
agad, Kamampang kagad, pops up, Lopez Tan for 3. Pasok agad, Tan. 3 points Tan. 3 points Tan.
Lopez now.
Lopez, Smith driving shot. Lopez, Calillo. Manson for 3. Nope. Rebound by Tan. Perez again. To Canton. Foul. Barantes called for the foul.
Foul committed on jersey number 19, Barantes. It's a first personal foul. 3
zero score po natin. Via 3 points po ni Tan. Kanina pa po yan. Eto na po tayo. And pops up. Tan. Nope. Floater shot. 2 points Tan. Tan 2 points. Dumadami na sila. Ayan na yung kanilang Manson, no good. Rebound by the brown shirts. 5 na po tayo. Airport United sa steal 2. Oy! Barantes, ipapadre. Barantes, shake and pick. Barantes na post. Manson, and this guy played 2 points, Smith. Finally, nakabuslo na rin po ang Airport United. The score is 5-2. 8:26 remaining. First quarter action. Amampang. Tan. 2 points Tan. Unstoppable so far ha. Lahat ng tira, pasok ha. Kalilong. Barantes, no, it's Lopez. Lopez for 3. No good. One more time. Barantes. Hoop shot, 2 points. Barantes, 2 points. And si Canton setting up the pace. 7-4 po. 7-4. Canton. And Tan again. Tan. Castor. Falcon. Who's Paul Rep? Okay, Kalilong. Kalilong called the foul. Okay, balik po tayo sa ating action ito. 7-4 score po natin. 7:38 remaining. Tan again. Tan pops up for 3. Offline. Nando sa Mampang. Naisasaman. Castor, power move. Malakas. Rebound. Manson. Lopez. Barantes, 100, 2 points.
Another basket.
Barantes, 2 points, 100 na naman.
1 point lead for Cass.
7-11 remaining. 1 point lead advantage, Cass. And it's Tan. Amampang. Binamay Kalilong. Total again. Tan against Lopez. Hustle play muli. Nakawala. Canton. Nope. Rebound. Lopez. Up. Nako. Maaga pa. Ala. Ano na. Balik po kay sa bench muna. Maraming salamat po. Bench muna po. Maraming salamat po. Bench po tayo. Sa bench. Ha? Hindi pwede. Masisira ako sa FB. Hindi ako ganun. Fernando, nakita naman. Okay, meron po scaffold po kanina between Amampang and Smith. Okay, they have to decide now what will happen next. Malalaman po natin yan. The referees now is deciding what will happen next po tayo. Okay, what will happen next? Okay, si Rep King and company po, dinay-decide po ngayon.
Foul committed on jersey number 48, Amampang.
Amampang called for the foul.
Technical foul on jersey number 3.
Okay, Smith called for the technical foul.
Technical foul on
and of
jersey
course,
number 48, Amampang.
Amampang also slapped with a technical foul and okay, chine-check lang po yung records po. Yung records po, chine-check daw po yung records. Medyo kasi, malaki na katayan na rito. Malaki na katayan dito, pera at saka dangal. Okay, sabi ni Aiden Ruiz, good luck mga idol. Laro-laro lang, enjoy lang tayo sa laro. Okay, rated PG po tayo. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Lopez again. Smith, against sa Mampang. Manson for 3. Wala. Out of bounds, same ball. Out of bounds, same ball po tayo. Kalilong. Lopez again for 3. No. Rebound. Ayan. Ayusitan. Top break. Lucky break sa Airport United. Ayan na. Si Mr. Lopez again. Lopez. Smith again. No good. Uy! Foul ko. Marantas yan. Tiyak. Okay. This will be a very long night for sure. This will be a very, very long night. Okay, Barantes called for the foul. 6:17 remaining. 7-6 score po natin. Please take note po, Airport United is once defensive champion po ng ligang ito. And defending po ngayon was CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Sila po defensive champion. Tan, no good. Airball, Barantes. Nagmamatay Barantes, hoop shot, no good. Nando si Smith pala. Nando si Smith. 5:55 remaining. Tan, bantayin daw sinasabi ni Scott. Titira daw yan. Tumira nga. Wala. Lopez. Binababa ang bola. Lopez. Manson. Stop and pop. Nope. Barantes. Wala pa rin. Hoop shot. Nope. Scott. Kanton nakalibag. Laman na po ang Airport United. Oh, foul na naman. Kanton, unstoppable ha. Kanton says, amin na dapat ang corona to. Walang ango nito, sabi ni Kanton. Pero sabi ng Airport United, we'll see. Tignan natin muna, sabi po ng Airport United. Okay, Tan for the inbound. To Amampang Daselman. Amampang Daselman against Barantes. Kick pass, tao, Kanton. Amampang, naipit, malakas. And nakuha. Okay, sabi na blue. The ball is blue. Smith again. Smith again, driving show. No good. Rebound by Castor. Amampang naman, binababa ang bola. Amampang. Oh! Take 2. Whoop! Pakiayos lang yung padding. Proteksyon po ng player yan. Okay, second five please. Penalty situation, Team CAS. At for sure, si Amampang shooting for 2. Second liners na po tayo. Of course, nandiyan si JS, si Bautista, si Amampang, papalitan din yan. Nandiyan si number 11 at si Mr. Contreras. Amampang, pasok, tabla. Second one. Ayan na. Okay, second shot po ni Amampang for the lead again. Amampang, second shot for the lead. Pops up. Cut. Tapos. And substitution po si Amampang. Sino po kapalit? Yan po si Mr. Rivera. Okay. Wala pa. Scott. Babagay. Oh, foul called. Okay, that's it. Okay. Babagay for the inbound. Ayan na. Pakilike po. Babagay for 3. No good. Rebound. Contreras. 9-8. Lamang naman ng CAS. Contreras. Pops up. Pasok ang buong. Contreras. 2 points. Scott for 3. Ayaw. Scott. Driving show. No good. Sid. No good. Oy! Okay. Sabi daw po ng referee, says, okay, JS committed for the foul. Balik muli po sa Airport United ng bola. 11 yung score po natin. Babagay. Pops up. No good. Sid. Rebound. No good. Wala pa rin. Oy!
Same ball?
Nope. It's brown ball. Ball is brown.
Sorry, gas ball.
sabi, Sid, go down. Nandun, check. Contreras. Rivera. Bautista, pops up, malakas. Rebound, Escat naman, Escat.
Escat now, the attack, defended by Rivera.
Offensive foul.
There's an offensive foul. Offensive foul, jersey number 27.
Isa lang guys. Maraming sabi sa ating loyal viewers po natin right now. We're now picking up at 17 viewers already. Thank you very much po. Pakishare po. JS. Contreras. So JS again. JS. Driving show. Nope. It's Rivera. JS again for 3. So good. Rebound. Ilaw. Ayan naman siya. Escat. For 3. Bang! 3 points Escat. 3:18 remaining. Tabla naman tayo. 11-all. Magandang laban to, mga boys and girls. JS again. JS getting the best game of pick. And Rivera pops up. Palpal! Babagay, malakas. Babagay, hinabol. And Bautista. Nandun naman sa Babagay. Eric, hindi nahabol. Di makayuko. Okay, 2:42 remaining. Ang score pa is 11-all. I told you this is a great ball game in our mids already. Masasabi po na Bautista. Rivera again. Running shot kapos. Wala pa si lumawag. Walang kukuha ng ganong klaseng tira. And Escat again. Driving show. Escat. Whoop. Na triple team. Rivera. Bautista. Malakas. Walang tawag. Babagay. Pinilit. Wala. JS. Okay. Bautista. Lamang. 2 minutes remaining. Babagay again. Tough break, tough lock. Balik ulit tayo. Ilaw against Bautista. Babagay, thinking 3. Ayaw muna, wag muna. Escat for 3. No, sayang. Contreras, Escat. Intercepted.
Ramos is waiting. Ilaw.
Malakas.
Julius.
And one play, think so.
Basket is good.
Okay, and one play nga confirmed. Confirmed.
Foul committed on jersey number 11, Ramos.
Woo! Wow, it's getting hot in here. Grabe. Okay, Babagay number 8 shooting for 2. Maraming salamat po. 11-8 po tayo. 13-all po tayo. Babagay, bonus free throw, pasok. Lamang na naman ang CAS.
Lamang na po yung Airport United.
Lamang pala, Airport United. Balik na isip ko na. 11-1-21 remaining. Contreras. Rivera. Contreras naman. Palpal. Nice block by Sid. Escat. Intercepted by Rivera. Oh, ano yun? Bautista for 3. Malakas. Uy! Rivera naka-putback. Grabe. Rivera, the little man. The little big man.
45 seconds.
Rivera naka-putback. Pasok. And Eric Grama, tingin 3. Wag mo na raw. Babagay for 3.
Julius.
No good. And brown ball.
35 seconds.
Ano ba yung mga natin? Nagbabagsaking mapahad. Okay, lamang muli po ng isa ang CAS over Airport United. 34 seconds remaining. Contreras. Bautista again. Bautista driving show. Hook shot.
20 seconds.
Last shot na rin sila.
50.
Scott, Grama for 3.
Pulling the trigger.
Tapos!
Defended well by Banderas.
Contreras.
3 against 1. Steal.
Nice kill.
Bababa.
Wala! Woo! Okay, isa. Oh, madilim talaga, sir. Medyo ano kasi, ito po ang Master Isa, pasensya na po. Ito po yung lighting condition talaga sa Southern School. Pag kinuha na po ng ordinary camera po. Kaya pasensya na po kung greenish po yung yung texture po ng ating ating LS po ngayon. Pasensya na po, pasensya na
The
po.
coach and team captain for both teams. Before we start the second quarter,
Okay, medyo
requesting the coach and team
Okay,
captain
mukhang may
for both
briefing
teams
muna yata po.
to
May
take
briefing po.
position.
Okay, may briefing po yata muna. May briefing po. May briefing, requesting coach and team captain sa table committee po para I think we're sensing the rivalry talaga sa both teams talaga. Many times already they squared off in the championships. And Cass also, Cass is the defending champion po sa torneyong ito. Okay? Okay, coach and team captains po, inaano po ngayon. Thank you po. Talaga medyo maigpit talaga ngayon. Si Kandol nandiyan na rin. Si Kandol, dumating si Kandol. Subaob, wala pa Subaob. Pero tingnan natin baka nakadun sa Subaob. I think sa kabila naman, they want to streamline of the bench po. Yung mga ibang di na po naglaro talaga. Kaya total po yan, ang cast po is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mga 10 to 15 pairs lang po. Ang ganun din po ang Airport United. Airport United we're missing the services of Pasalud. Dahil na-injury po siya pala nung semifinals. Yung tuhod, biglang sumakit na bigla. Kaya good thing nandiyan si Sid tsaka si Smith naman to replace Salud. And the score is 17-14. I think we're sensing also some concern also. Talagang there's a rivalry po talaga sa ito. Kaya kinakailangan talaga yung referee po medyo maging yun ang factor din dyan para dapat patawag po ng referee po din, dapat tawagin po talaga. Yan ang kaya mini-meeting na rin po ni Ref King po yung kanyang mga referees pen to ensure po the integrity of the game is good. Cashball, Arnado. Cashball, bola. Okay, Sid, papasok muna. Okay, si Sid naman ang combination. Dalida. Roldan. Dalida. Roldan. Intercepted. Dalida. Lipit. Pops up. Manson.
Rebound.
Lopez. Binababa bola. Lopez. Binababa bola. Lopez. Manson for 3. Bang! Yan ang kinakailangan ng Airport United. Ganyang karaming 3 points of dala. Kinakailangan nilang yun. Roldan. Dalida. Arnado, liipit ang kote. Roldan for 3. Kaso ka Roldan ng bola. Ginamit ang bola. What a play by Roldan. Saan ang galing yung tirang yun? Lopez now with the ball. Wala na tayong halftime puto
Pass to Manson.
naman. Bang! Same blind spot. Tablado naman tayo. And lumawag. Nando si Lopez. For the lead, for foul call, Opelencia.
Foul committed on jersey number 9.
Okay, Opelencia called for a foul. Brown. Ayan naman siya. Lopez. I think they have to adjust now. They want to guard the arc now. Sid. Hoy! Sino mabasa nun? Walang pinasaan yung bata. Okay. I think they want to guard now Manson, yung kanyang favorite spot. Roldan, ipit, and balik din po sa blue ang bola. Okay, back-to-back successive errors po ng both teams po. And attempts na po, ito na po tayo. Lopez ang binabang bola. Lopez, driving strong. Lopez, dribble shot. Nando si Barantes, hoop shot. Wala pa rin, rebound, lumawag. Dalida. Arnado, malakas. Wow! Good ball.
Manson.
2 points, Renzo. Hop, teka lang. Ano yun? Timeout call. Cast call for the timeout. The score is 22-20. Okay, sabi ni Sir Albert Dino Marsican says, good luck to both teams. Yes, sir. Maraming salamat po. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Talk about the rivalry po ng both teams po na ito. This is not the third time they're squaring off the championships. Okay, kaya medyo talagang maigpit po ngayon ang laban dito. 7:42 remaining. 2022. Arnando, hop! Si Daisy. Lopez na naman. Lopez against Arnado. Ay, the sky play. Huwag ganun muna dapat. Arnado, hoy! Foul ko. Ouch.
Jersey number 24.
Okay, Lopez, number 24, called for a foul.
Jersey number 24.
And Opelencia number 9. 7:22 remaining.
Seconds remaining.
Okay. Sid against Arnado. Roldan. Arnado again. Arnado naman. Oy! Grabe. Okay. Balik ulit pa tayo si Jong. Lopez naman, kick pass. Manson, binabantay na kanyang arko. Ito na muli po tayo. Jong nakalusot. Barbarantes, wala, mali. Lumawag. Dalida. Walang pinasahan. Balik sa blue bola. They have to capitulate the turnover. Manson again. No good. Armando. Roldan. Lumawag. Malakas. Rebound by Sid. Sinasay. 6:22 remaining. Again, Roldan. Lumawag. Malalim. Good ball. Opelencia. Arnado. Dalida, pops up, 2 points, 22 all. 6:03 remaining.
6 minutes.
Ayun na.
Back to Lopez. Sid right now, underneath.
2 points Sid. Ganun lang daw sinasabi ni Scott. Let Sid dominate the boards in this quarter. Again, Roldan again. Lumawag na naman, lumawag. Dalida pops up. Pasok na kay Dalida ang bola.
Another deadlock.
Dalida ang kanyang pangatay sulog, dinagdala.
Lopez, defended by Roman. Pass to Job. 14 shot clock. Barantes. Rebound Lumawa. Pass to Dalida. Dalida on the run.
Ayun! Sarnado! Super sarnado!
Airport United.
Okay, Airport United sensing some trouble. They called now for the timeout. The score is 26-24. Laman po ng dalawa ang Cavs. And of course, papasok na rin po yung another lineup po ngayon. Dito, solid na po ito. The likes of Mr. JS, si Canton, si Tan, si Bautista, at sino pa isa? Si Castor. Kabila na po, of course, pangmalakas na rin ito. Nandiyan si Candol, si Scott, si Babagay, at si Smith. Okay, Canton. Candol, binaba mabol, Candol. Setting up the pace, Scott, driving show. Nawala ang bola.
Candol,
Traveling goal.
good goal. Eagles time. Ang ating referee.
Mabilis sa mamata ng referee yun. Ito na po tayo yun. Babagi again. 4:40 remaining. Mag-halftime po tayo. Wala na po tayong Wala na po tayong picture sa halftime. Babagay. Candol. 2 points Candol. Favorite shot yan. Bautista. Oy, technical foul. Wag ganon. Huli ka.
Bautista.
Okay, Bautista called for the technical foul. That's not allowed as per FIBA rules. Taunting po yan. Okay, Babagay shooting for the technical free throw. Meron pong proper decorum po kasi per player po. Kaya hindi po pwede ganong klase mga taunting. Basket made, okay. Laman po na isa. Airport United. Again, Candol. Ba't huli ka? Di ba dapat ano ka? Pero still, Babagay po. Born from Candol. Binaba ang bola. Babagay, Candol. Scott na naman. Scott, thinking 3. Ayaw. Kumuha ng pick.
14 shot
Oy! Nice break. Lucky break for Airport United.
12 seconds to shoot.
Lucky break for Airport United. Scott.
Alley play. 10 shot clock. There's a foul. Foul committed on jersey number 61.
Okay, that's Castor.
That's your first personal, second team foul.
Okay, Smith shooting for 2. Number 3, Smith shooting for 2. 4:11 remaining. Smith, first shot.
Smith.
It's out.
Facing the first charity.
Second shot, Smith. Jumper's ready. Smith. Pops up. It's out. Rebound, JS.
Rebound,
Justin Serrano naka-rebound. Canton. Bautista. Canton naman.
14 shot clock.
Castor. No good. Rebound, Smith.
Scott, 6 seconds. Making the shot.
Take 2.
There's a foul.
Okay, Scott shooting for 2. Tan called for the foul. Scott shooting for 2. Number 27, Scott shooting for 2. Sinasabi rito. May sinasabi rito. Carl Guillermo, shoutout po kay Kapitan Fred Di Macali. Idol po ng bayan. Okay. Hi, Mr. Fred. Fred Di Macali, where are you? Second shot. It's in. Tabla. Tabla naman tayo. Kantong binababa ang bola. 3:41 remaining. Second quarter action on the way. Castor. Kanton naman. Swing to Bautista. Hoy! Kandol called for the foul. Uncheck fouls.
By jersey number 8, Kandol. That's the first personal, second team foul for Airport United.
Okay, second team foul. The story so far, maganda. Medyo maingat po ang Airport United sa quarter nito. Basta, kick pass. No good. Rebound Baraway. Nandun agad. Out of bounds. Sayang.
Back to 14 shot clock.
I think the story so far, got to double team para kay JS. Then for sure, magkakaroon pa ng kick out pass para sa isang open man po para sa Cas. No good. Rebound.
Sorry, miss. There's a foul.
Okay, that's call of Castor.
Number 61.
Okay.
Castor, that is your second personal foul. Warning for penalty cast.
Babagay, binaba ang bola. Babagay. Canton for 3.
Wide open 3.
No good.
Wala. Rebound by Smith.
Oh, foul again. Oh, stepping on the line.
Stepping on the line.
Balik. Tablados tayo, 28. Richard.
Attacking.
Castor naman. Wala. Rebound and
Richard.
same ball.
14 shot clock.
Okay, backdoor daw. Sabi backdoor. Magkaroon ng backdoor daw.
Canton.
Oh, ito na. Bautista for 3. What? Bang shot made good. What a shot by Richard Bautista, yung taguro ng ligang ito. Scott naman, Scott. Foul called. Take 3 si Scott. For sure. Take 3 yan. Take 3 si Scott. Take 3.
Jersey number 24.
Okay, Bautista called for the foul. Scott shooting for 3. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-heart same po dyan. Thank you very much po. First shot made. Second throw. Okay, Sir Badong Mabases watching. Thank you po. Maraming po salamat, sir. Yan po may-ari po ng Gusto ko to rather. Maraming salamat po, sir. Gusto ko to. Yan, Badong Mabasa. Nanood po yan. Sa Mansura po yan. Maraming salamat po. Scott naman. Pop shot, yes. Okay, 1 point advantage again by Team Cas. Ayun na naman si Bautista. Ayun mag-isa. No good. Rebound, Babagay. Ito naman si Kandol. Smith. 2-point Smith. Lumipad si Smith. Kanton naman. Bautista ka, boss. Scott again, Scott. Malakas! Foul called. 1:37 remaining. Laman po ng isa ang Cas. Again. Penalty situation called on. Laman po ang Airport United. Cas now penalty situation. Canton shooting for 2.
On the line shooting for 2, Canton.
Kandol, number 8, shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second shot, jumper straight po ni Kandol. Lahat po dito, nakatayo po lahat. Ako po, di natin mainit kung anong nangyari po dito. Candol, second throw, jumpers ready for the lead. Again, to extend the lead to 2 points. It's out. Rebound, Babagay. Candol. Kalilong. Scott na naman. Paano mo si Scott? Scott again, Scott. Nawala! Smith again, 2 points is Smith. Boy! Ngayon naman, ano, Bautista naman, Bautista. Foul ko! Okay, the score right is 31-36, 1:06 remaining. Back-to-back field goals being posted by Airport United. This is the biggest lead so far at 5 points. Canton, Caston naman, 2 points.
1 minute remaining.
1 minute remaining po tayo. Wala na po tayong picture-picture sa halftime. Let them concentrate in the game already. Maraming salamat po. Candol, pops up, ayaw. Smith naman, Smith, floater shot, no good. Smith naman, palpal. Traveling violation.
41 seconds remaining.
JS.
41 seconds.
Justin Serrano. Oh, timeout muna tayo. Airport United called for the timeout. The score is 33-36. The biggest lead so far earlier is 5 points by Airport United. Dikdikan po ito. Dikdikan. Pulbusan talaga labang ngayon dito. We'll wait now. 41 seconds remain before halftime. Magandang labang po ito mga boss, mga madam. Ilan ba nulo po sa atin? Thank you pa na po sa ating 17 loyal viewers po natin. Si Alex Uluet is watching. Si Dan Samay is watching also. Yan, si Carl Guilliam is watching. Marami pong nag-download po sa gabi ito. Sige po.
41 seconds remaining.
Again, ito naman sila. Candol, deny. Canton, yung Candol, naglalaban. Candol, Canton, naglalaban ngayon. Candol versus Canton. No, it's Bautista. Bautista, JS. Fake pass, ang ganda, lumitaw. Pasok ang bola, 3 points pabigay.
25 seconds.
Sunto lang. Delayed game.
Jersey number? Jersey number 61, delayed game warning, 21 seconds.
Caston na naman. 20 seconds remaining. 17 seconds remaining.
10 seconds.
Bang!
Jersey number 27.
Wala na. Okay.
Second quarter.
Okay, halftime po tayo. Habang halftime po tayo, wala na po tayong ano. Wala na po tayong picture-picture. Ano to? This is your aviation friendly Dabas of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. And of course, we'd like to thank you po sa mga tipo nag-participate po sa ano po ito, The Hub, Oryx, Pure Projects, Pure Sky Team, Boleros, Inflights, Pure Towers, Airport United, QDF, Mechanicus at of course that but that's it po, yan po ang Team CAS. The finals now is upon us, and for sure we're watching right now this game right now. The defending champion CAS defending his crown against the former champion Airport United. Maraming salamat po, and time po tayo, halftime po tayo ngayon. The score so far po is 36-39, lamang po ng tatlo ang Airport United. And of course, si Ref King din po, minimit din po yung kanyang mga komponent din po to ensure the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Halftime po tayo ngayon, standby po tayo after 1 minute 43 seconds.
Third quarter, Airport United ball.
Okay, second half na po tayo mga boss. Airport United ball. The score is 36-39. 24 minutes before we determine who's the champion now on this season ng ating Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying
Okay, yung
League.
mga magsasaba, lapit po ha. Reserve po tayo.
Okay, pwede na po. Pwede na. Pwede na i-shuffle ngayon. Pwede i-shuffle daw. Parang ano to? Okay, thank you. Okay. Barantes, Lopez, Ilaw, Smith, and Scott. Barantes for 3. Nope. Rebound. Bautista again. Ariel Arampang, the Hasselman. Mr. Hasselman against Mr. Barantes. Si Er Barantes. Lumawag. Pops up. Contreras, no good. Rebound. Ilaw, nakalibag yun. Si Scott ngayon, binabang bola. Scott. Pops up for 3. No! Walang kawala. 3 points si Scott. 36-42. 9-10 remaining. Amampang. JS, power move. Foul. Counted. JS, pinapakita talaga sinong leader sa component nito. JS, 53, shooting for the bonus free throw. JS, 53, shooting for 2. Binuhat niya ang kanyang bantay. Pops up. Yes, sir. Completed. Lamang muli po ng 3 ang koponan po ng Airport United. Lopez, nagmadali. Pinuwersa, pasok. Nice one by Lopez. 8:58 remaining. Amampang, Hasselman, may bola. May tangan ng bola. Crossover, Amampang. Contreras, they're bothered. Nice check. Nice D by Ilaw. Again. Contreras, no good, lumipad. JS, Amampang, driving, walang pinasahan, sayang yung extra pa si Amampang. And 8:24 remaining. 39-44, Lopez, Barantes. Foul! Lumawag. Umapir si Ere. Foul.
All the way in on jersey number 7, Lumawag.
Lumawag called for a foul. Barantes shooting for 2. Si Ere Barantes shooting for 2.
Cass.
Lumawag called for a foul. That's number 7 on Lumawag. Okay. Number 7, Lumawag called for the foul. And Barantes shooting for 2 at 8:13 remaining. 13-44 score po natin ngayon. First shot ni Barantes. First shot. No good. Second shot, jumper shot din ni Barantes. Okay, pinagpapahinga muna sina the likes of Panson, Babagay para po sa succeeding quarters po nito. Barantes number 19. Again. Pasok. Okay. Ayun na naman. JS naman yun. JS against Scott. JS against Scott. Amampang. Lumawag. Palpal! Aray. Lumawag. Palpal. Smith. Bautista. Balik. Rebound naman pang. Put back pa naman pang. Lopez. Malalim. Contreras naman pang. Contreras. Pasok ang bola. Contreras.
Ibes. 14 shot clock. Jumper.
No good.
Rebound, Serrano.
44-45. Ayun naman, ayun naman. Lumawag, lumawag, lumawag! Ah! Okay. Same ball.
15 seconds.
Brown ball, brown ball, brown ball. The ball is brown. Ito na. Kick pass. Amampang, Dasselman. Amampang, Dasselman. Amampang, Amampang. No good. Nice interception. Nice hands by Ilaw. Escat, Escat, driving show. Good ball. Skip. Barantes. 2 points Barantes. Hop, naipit. Bautista naman. Bautista. Wala.
Rebound, Richard.
Bautista. Take two, take two, take two, take two.
Foul committed on jersey number 11.
Number 11 called for foul. That's Ilaw. Bautista number 24.
Personal foul.
Bautista number 24 shooting for 2.
Warning for technical, jersey number 11.
Number 11 also. Eling Ilaw, warning for technical. Continues complaining. Bautista first shot. Pasok. Second shot. Bautista jumpers ready. The score right now is
Second shot.
6:37 remaining. Second shot, Bautista. No good. Rebound, lumawag. Stripped away. Again, Bautista. Good ball.
Rebound, Serrano.
Serrano. Down. Nice D by, nice effort by Serrano.
Jersey number 11. Substitution.
Okay, sub muna po.
Ilaw.
Ilaw, labas muna. Kid, papasok. Or si Sid, papasok.
Substitution. Second team
Okay,
foul.
Candol, labas muna para kay Mr. Lopez. Roldan. Roldan for the inbound.
14 shot clock.
Uy!
Richard, naginawa.
Pagpal! Hoy! Diba yan? Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, what's the no?
Foul committed on jersey number 8.
Number 8 called for the foul. Bautista shooting for 2.
Pangatlo mo na.
Candol 3 personal fouls na po siya. Bautista first shot. Is out. Medyo na pa, nalog pa. Nalog pa, nalog pa. Second shot, jumpers ready. I think Airport area goes now for the twin tower combination of Sid and Smith. Okay, to stop now the offensive rebounds of Cass. Second shot, Bautista. Both basket, no good. Gumawag! 2 points tumawag. Tabla. Hindi pala, sorry.
1 point lead.
46-47, Smith.
Smith, defended by Serrano.
No.
On the next.
Sayang.
Rebound by Roldan. Pass.
Pang! 2 points. Ayan naman, naman sila.
Timeout.
Okay, what a patient play by Cass again. Sabi ni Mr. Alex Soleta, good luck sa mga team. Maraming salamat po, sir. Okay. Oh, the score is 48-47, 6:01 remaining. Mababa pa to. Meron pa tayong fourth quarter pa. This game is getting interesting every moment. Nakita po natin yan, both teams po wanted to secure the crown. Si Molina nandiyan na rin.
Smith.
Scott.
Pass to Scott. 14 shot clock.
Wala foul.
Poor shot.
No foul. Okay, roll done.
1 point lead for Cass.
5:38 remaining.
Ariel, sidestep.
Ariel.
That's a foul.
Foul on Scott.
Substitution.
Okay, sub muna po tayo, Scott, para kay Babagay.
Warning for penalty. Airport United.
Okay, 48-47 pa rin. 5:32 remaining. Roll done. Roll done. Pinasa kay Amampang. Amampang.
14 shot
Amampang.
clock.
Dumuelo. Cake pass. JS. JS.
Foul.
Push for rep.
Foul committed on jersey number 12, Sid.
Sid called for the foul.
Penalty.
Penalty situation at 5:17. Penalty na po ang Team Airport United. 48-14 score po natin. JS shooting for 2. JS first shot. It's in. Nice. Nothing but net. Second shot, JS. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up.
Second try.
It's in. Okay. There's a foul committed. Hindi. Oh.
Technical foul will be awarded for Cass. Delayed game.
Okay, delayed game po. Basket made, 50-48. Dami yung technical. Muli yung technical. Babagay, number 8. Okay, 50-48 po. 5-11 remaining.
Julius.
Molina.
Pastor Molina.
Molina, 2 points.
Deadlock again.
Saan ang galing yung tirang yung? Grabe. Diyan kami kasikid. Pumapasok na naman. Molina. Amampang. JS.
Serrano.
What a play! Jumping hoop. One-handed shot by Serrano. Babagay.
Babagay for 3.
3 points, Babagay. JS naman, JS. Okay, foul called. JS taking mark in his own hands. 17. Oy,
Jersey number 8.
Jersey number 8 again, called for a foul. Monson, pasok muna para kanino? Okay, Smith, para kay Monson muna. Thank you, okay. Kandol, labas muna rin. Para kay Scott.
That's your 4th personal foul.
4th personal po ni Kandol. JS shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Walang tapon ang free throw ni JS. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. 4:29 remaining. Third quarter action still on the way. JS pops up. Walang kawala rin talaga. Babagay again, 54-53. 4:28 remaining. Babagay. Manson. Opulensya. Sid. No good. 4-shot selection. Amampang. Opulensya. No good. Rebound, Babagay. Manson. No good. Rebound. Foul ball. Huli na call for sure. Okay, muli na
jersey
talaga.
number 18.
Muli na call for the foul penalty situation again. Balik po si JS sa linya. 54-53. Penalty situation po. Nag-penalty situation
Muli
po.
na, that is your first personal foul.
Airport United has gotten penalty in the last 5:17 mark ng third ng quarter na ito. Serrano, number 53, shooting for 2 again at 4:01 remaining. First shot, JS. It's out.
Missing the first. 4 minutes remaining.
Second throw jumper siya ready. It's in. Okay, dalawa. 4:01 remaining. Ito naman. Babagay again. 4 minutes remaining. Babagay. Molina. Babagay. Babagay again. Babagay. Pops up.
Babagay, jumper.
No good. Big Pampero. 1 by. Operensya. JS. 2 points, yes.
.8 for Cass.
Cut. Naku ng pick.
Anton. Start of the attack. Defended by Rasta. Traveling violation.
.28 remaining. The score is 57-53. Alaman po ng apat na ngayon ang
3 minutes
28 remaining. Lamang na po ng apat ang team Cass over Airport United. Kanto naman yun. Si Kanto nagmamando ngayon. Agis Amampang naman. Amampang. Driving show. Amampang. 2 points Amampang. Babagay. Scott.
Defended by Ariel, 1-on-1.
Laman na
Scott, crossover.
Malco.
Wait. Foul committed on jersey number 53.
Again, JS called for the foul. Okay, Smith.
Second personal foul.
Pangalawa na Serrano. Okay, si Sid labas muna. Labas muna para kay Kalilong. Tsaka kay Mr. Smith.
14 shot clock.
Si Scott may guard may gumagawa niya. Si Mampang. Manson. Kalilong. Babagay.
10 shot clock.
Babagay. Manson. No good. Babagay naman.
Julius Babagay.
Babagay.
There's a foul.
Foul call.
Foul committed on jersey number 3,
Canton.
That is your
Second person pa balik Canton yan at 2:50 remaining.
Third team foul.
Napako na po sa 53 ang Team Cass. Okay, ano po tayo? Babagay, shooting for 2. It's out! I think the story so far dito, the free throws of Cass is going in while sa AU po is not going in. Yan, puro split charity yung ginagawa nila.
Basket for Babagay.
54, ito naman sila. Amampang, binababa ang bola. The Hasselman, Amampang, Hasselman. Serrano, malakas.
Serrano, wala.
Mali!
Again! What an assist to Lumawan!
Nice hustle play by Mampang. Babagay. No good.
Wala, rebound again.
Good goal. Kaya. Lamang po ng 7 na ngayon ang Cass over Airport United.
Approaching 2 minutes.
At wala na itong darating. For both teams. Ito na po yung final na ito. Amampang na naman. Amampang. Check pass. JS for 3. Hoy!
That is a foul. Foul committed on jersey number 17. Penalty.
Tatlo yun.
Substitution. Shooting for 2, jersey number 9.
Opulensya, number 9, shooting for 2. Opulensya, first shot. Wala. Second shot. Pito na po ang kalamangan po ng Team Cast over Airport United. Airport United, pito na po ang kalamangan po ngayon. No good. Rebound by Babagay. Kick pass, Smith.
Smith. Serrano swinging.
Wala.
Defended well. Pass to Canton. Canton, lay in.
No! Manson.
Manson. At the end, pass to Babagay.
Escat for 3.
Escat.
No good.
Wala.
Rebound, JS. JS naman, JS. JS. Good ball. No foul.
Smith with the rebound.
Anong pang sa ilalim?
Ariel. Attacking. Blocking foul.
Take 2. Nice one.
Foul committed on jersey number 17. Substitution.
Okay, sabo na po. Nice.
Alino, third personal foul.
Nice play by Opulensya para kay Tan. Good game para kay Opulensya. Amampang for 2. Dasselman. Amampang Dasselman. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Napako na po sa 54 po ang Team Airport United.
7-point lead for Cass.
Second shot. Jumpers ready. Rebound by Smith.
Rebound, Smith.
Smith, may rebounder sila. Smith, binababa ang bola. Smith driving shot.
Smith,
Foul
attacking.
po.
Foul. Serrano, that is your third personal
Third
foul.
person pa ni Serrano. Okay, Serrano, third person. Lumawag para kay Castor. Smith, number 3.
Warning for penalty, Cass.
Okay,
Smith on the line, shooting for 2.
Smith, first shot. It's in. Smith, behind the line.
Smith on the line.
Okay, it's in.
Basket.
Okay, 6:55. Lamang po ng 6. 6 na naman. Amampang, Dasselman. Amampang, kick pass, JS.
Serrano, swing to
Tan. Serrano again sa Scott.
13 shot clock.
Castor, no good. Rebound, Scott. Scott naman, Scott.
Escat now on the attack. Oh, missed the block.
Good ball.
Smith, people lead. Seconds.
We'll see, fourth quarter.
45.
Amampang. Castor, Kanto, Tam, Kasubo, Lakitan. Pinapayagan mo. Smith.
Smith. Foul shot.
Who's foul rep? Okay, Canton.
Foul on jersey number 61.
Okay,
Castor.
61. Castor, sorry.
That is your third personal
Third
foul.
person mountain. Wala. Uy.
Game clock 22 seconds.
Siyam, lamang ng siyam. 64-55. 9-point lead advantage. It's in. 8.
Cutting to lead to 8.
Okay, Amampang. The Hasselman again.
10 seconds. 5 game clock.
Again!
Foul committed
Okay, Manson called for the foul.
That's your second personal foul, jersey number 5. 1 second remaining.
Okay, Castor, no good.
Still 8-point lead for Gas.
8-point lead, 1 second remaining. Okay, Amampang. It's in. Okay.
1 second.
Sayang.
And to the third quarter.
Okay, after 3 quarters naman po ng siyam muli po ang Cast over Airport United, 65-56. Ito, fourth quarter na po tayo ngayon. Ito na. Okay, may po tayo nga 1 minute break. Habang nagbe-break po tayo, Mark Lopez, 65-56 naman po ang Cast. Back to the ball game, final quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, bola daw po ng Cast. Cast. Attack Cast. Kanton para kay ano. Okay, for the final quarter. Okay. Okay, si Rivera, yung kanilang isa pang ano. Walang takot din tong batang to, si Rivera. Red po tayo. Shout out from Oryx team. Maraming salamat po. Sabi ni Sir Melvin. Rivera. Amampang against Barantes.
For the final quarter. Ariel sidestepping. Binato na lang. Richard. Rebound by Smith. Pass to Barantes.
Wag mo na gano'n. Kinakailangan. Maniniguro dapat kayo. Para sa AU.
Pass to Richard. Bineke. Pass to Rivera. Short jumper. 10 shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot.
Brown ball.
8 seconds to shoot.
Brown ball. Bautista.
Richard. 5.
Amampang. JS pops up. No good. Bautista again.
Ariel.
Good ball.
Tupas. Joe. Pass to Molina.
Winning again. Reed Smith.
Rebound
Barantes.
Ariel now on the attack. Still. What an action right now. Barantes. Pull up. Hook shot. Rebound.
Nice try. Balik ulit tayo. 8:58 remaining.
Shot clock.
Hop.
10.
Sige po. Dampong ma'am.
3 seconds.
3 second violation called. Again, pako na naman tayo. 65-56. Wala pang score na gumagalaw. 8:24 remaining. Almost 2 minutes have elapsed already. Wala pa rin po score na nagaganap po ngayon for both teams. Matinding bantayan po ito sa ating mga both teams po for still. AU has to do something about it or else everything will be lost. Bang! Okay.
Adding the lead to 6.
6-point lead advantage. Amampang. Amampang against Scott ngayon. Scott nagpapatik niya Amampang. Amampang na naman, Scott. Binato. Rivera. Serrano, Jess. Noble team na. Rivera. Malakas. Wala. Good goal. Molina. 30 seconds remaining. Okay, 7:48 remaining. Okay, sa Dalida para kay Rivera. Isa pamatay sunog. Nagpasok na ni si Coach Owen. Mampang. Dalida. Kapos. Scott. Mali pasa. Bautista. Hoy! Blocking foul ko. Jong, blocking foul.
Foul committed on jersey number 6.
Sabi ni Mark Lopez, deep depensa. Mark Lopez, go Ali. Go AU.
Ariel, pass to Bautista. Making the shot.
Bautista, 2 pass.
Trying to shoot.
Bautista. Hop! Okay, out of bounds.
Another possession by control. Sir, by control. That is the control. 14 shot clock.
Okay, babagay, pinasok muna. Okay. Nice try, nice game. Molina, again, babagay, pumasok na rin. Castor, first shot. Wala. Castor, second throw, jumpers ready. Again, the twin tower combination of Smith and Sid for Airport United against, of course, the power of JS. Ito na. Okay, 66-59 at 7-point advantage still. 7-11. Smith again.
Smith. Pass to Serrano. Serrano, attacking.
Tapos.
Short. Amamambang. Rebound. That is the power for jersey number 27. Jersey number 27. Substitution.
Foul ni Scott.
Scott, second personal.
Pangalawa ni Scott yan. Pangatlo, Airport United.
14 shot na.
Okay, si John pinasok muna ulit para kay Smith. Okay, si Lumawag pinasok na rin. Kanilang Dukot. Si Mr. Dukot Lumawag, nandiyan na rin. Amampang against Joe. Joe. Amampang, crossover, Talida. Lumawag. Talida. 2 points. Swerte.
Scott, defended by Ariel. Ang gandang matchup niya. Double team by Talida. Pass, tutupas. 14 shot na. Babagay is open, pero pwede ba sa tutupas? Basket.
2 points. Hindi na papatag. 3 personal foul siya sa JS. Kita sumang mga 4 personal foul. Pito.
Ariel. Pass to Talida. Rebound to pass. Pass to Scott. Scott down. Tapik sa likod ng Talida. Hole will remain. Airport United. Shot clock 17 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Okay, Canton para kay Mr. Dalida. Ayaw, hindi pala. Sino yung bus? Mansong, palpal!
Landing po. Jersey number 7.
Okay, confirmed Lumawag call for the foul. And tatlo po yan. Tatlo, no? I think 3 free throws given, for sure. Tatlo po yan. 6-8, 6-1. First shot.
Scott.
It's in.
Basket.
Second shot. Second throw. Scott. It's out. That will count them for sure. Hindi sinusuguro yung yung free throw. Take 3. Take 3, they're gonna make 2. Take 2, gate the split charities po tayo. Okay? 5. 6-3. 5:56 remaining. Kanton naman. Kanton against Jong. Kanton, Jong. Hinahanap, JS. Bautista! Wala! Rebound, Scott! Oh, same ball. Nice hustle by Roldan. Roldan, das. Jong na naman. Uy! Wala yun! Kanton for 3. Nope. Rebound ako, Bautista. Lumawag. Fadeaway shot. Nope. Rebound babagay. Jong. Smith. 2-point Smith. Tatlo. Timeout called by Airport by Cass. Again, bumabalik na naman ang Airport United. Parang boxing ito. Binubugbog yung isa. Napapabog yung isa naman. Is this a second win of Airport United to beat Cass, or Cass will still remain on the top at 5 minutes of 3 remaining?
Both teams, take na dalawang timeout pa.
Both teams, 2 timeouts left po tayo. Roldan doesn't want, that's like what's happening right now. Okay, Amampang, pinapsok pa rin po.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Okay.
Malapit na po tayo.
Okay, Kanton. Third D, Kanton. And Amampang to Kanton again. Kanton against Jong.
Pass to Kanton.
Jong.
Kanton.
Oy, oy, nice D. Nice D, Bemanson.
Shot clock natin, 17
seconds to shoot.
17 seconds to shoot.
Amampang against Babagay.
14 shot clock. Attacking the defense.
Nice one.
Basket.
Wala. Nasa ring. 5. 14-7. Malayo pa yan. Scott naman. Bumababa ng bola. Amampang ay si Scott.
Amampang. Body to body defense. Against Scott. Cross over. Pinasa. 2 pass. 5 shot clock.
Wala pa.
Shot clock. Hindi mo na pasarin.
Shot clock violation. 4:15 remaining. 5. Malayo pa yan. Kanton for the inbound. Kanton for the inbound. Number 3, Kanton. Kanton pa rin. Again from Amampang. 4:10 remaining.
Kanton. Wala na muna music. Down the wire. 14 shot clock.
Hoy! Foul po. Technical foul call on Jong. Okay, JS, pinapasok pa yung both yung kanyang component din. Okay, double technical call also. Awat na.
Wait po.
Double technical call. Double technical call.
Foul on 2 pass. Technical foul on 2 pass. Technical
Foul
foul
on
on
Canton.
Canton.
Oh, teka.
Penalty, Airport United.
Ayun. Maaga.
Canton, third personal foul. Tupas, pang-apat na foul.
Okay, 2 pass.
Cast, second team foul.
Kas, second team foul pa lang. 5 Canton shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. 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 Second shot. Jumpers ready. Smith. Nope. Rebound by Smith. Scott. Okay, ano muna? Tahimik na. Scott against sa Mampang.
Scott, defended by Ariel. Good defense. Scott nakabala. Justin, naghihintay. Pass to Canton.
Lumawag. Foul ko. Offensive foul na lumawag.
Timeout. Airport United. Offensive foul. Jersey number 7.
Lumawag ko for defensive foul.
Third foul, yes.
Napako pa rin po. 7:65 naman tayo. Napako tayo 7:65 mark. Mag-iisang minuto na tayo. Wala pa rin tira. Both teams. Okay, the score right now is 70-65. 3:37 remaining. Okay, pa-shoutout po. Mainit ang labas. Sabi ni Mr. Luis. Tama po, sir. Kasi Perez, pa-shoutout po. Pa-shoutout po, Cha. Okay, sir. Kasi Perez. Shoutout po sa iyo. Maraming salamat po. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Jong, inbounding.
5-point lead.
3:37 remaining.
Malapit na tayo sa twilight zone.
Scott,
Scott.
70-65. Amampang na naman.
Scott. Almost a steal. 5 to shoot. Rebound. Pass to Mampang. Serrano. Pass to Lumawag. 14 shot clock. Richard jumper. Wala. Serrano rebound. 10 shot clock.
Canton.
5 to shoot.
Good.
Manson on the attack. Manson. Floater.
Wala.
Serrano pagkasitan.
Minalas na.
Pass to Anton. 14 shot clock.
2:36 remaining. Ganda laban. Pero siyempre,
Down to 10.
Serrano.
Serrano, spin move. 5 to shoot. Anton. Babagay. Jumper. Short. Last 2 minutes.
Canton nagpanalo.
This last minute is brought to you by Red Needles, LBC, Hari na Madara,
Yes.
14 shot clock.
Okay, Amampang, number 48.
Down
Binababa.
to 10.
Now winding the clock. Amampang.
5 to shoot.
Canton na naman. Back to back. Collapse na.
Airport United. Last time out na po, Airport United, wala na.
Collapse na yung Airport United. Lamang ng 11. Back-to-back field goals by Canton.
Okay.
Back-to-back field goals by Canton.
Shot clock is 13.
Okay, back-to-back field goals by Canton. Scott for the inbound against sa Mampang.
Manson.
Pumasok na. 76-68. Lamang ng 8. Bautista.
14 shot clock. Down to 10.
Bautista. Good ball.
5 to shoot. Manson
naman.
Manilo. Back to Manson.
No good. That's it. Okay, congratulations.
50 seconds. There's a foul on jersey number 17.
Congratulations, I think so. 48 seconds remaining.
Two free throws.
Okay, JS True Fitos po tayo, guys. Po tayo ng camera dahil kasi matatapos na po kasi po ang ating pong ating liga. Okay, congratulations. Okay, for sure. Yung kay Canton talaga, siya nag-bail out talaga. Yung bail out kay Canton talaga ang pinaka-ano doon. Second shot for sure, sigurado na yan.
45 seconds, babanay. Pumira ng press. Wala.
Okay, that's it. Blue ball daw sabi, blue ball. Blue ball na ba? Blue ball.
Shot clock 14. Manilo, bumato ng press.
Wala na. Okay, that's it.
Lumawak. 25 seconds. Wala. 5 to shoot.
Good ball, good ball.
1 second.
1 second shot clock.
1 second.
1 second. 1 second.
Canton na nagbigay ng
Shot clock violation.
Okay, hintay lang niya. Formality na tayo. 50 seconds remaining.
Baka magmulat si Ren, ha? Technical tayo, ha? Relax mo na. 15.
Manson.
Manson.
Wala. Out na. Okay, that's it. That's
9
it.
seconds.
Okay, congratulations for sure and defending the champion, Team CAS. Back-to-back champion na po tayo ngayon sa CAS. Okay, congratulations Team CAS for winning the ball game. Dire-diretso na po tayo. Wala na po tayo Sir Isa, sir, panalo na po kayo, sir. Final score po natin, 77-68, a 9-point advantage for Team CAS. Congratulations.
Yung coach ng champion, Sir Owens. Sir Owens, bunot po muna natin mananalo ng ating LBC Bucks.
Back to back, baby! Back to back!
Kanton.
Miss Iris Info.
Anywhere for sure, ikaw nagpanalo talaga dito.
Hindi, tama lang.
Hindi. Sinipa mo pa yung tripod ko lang yan. Okay, sir, ano mo masasabi po natin, sir? Back-to-back champion na po kayo.
Dito talaga yung pinaka-motivation namin eh. I mean, simula pa lang.
O, kita natin, talagang talagang natin, kailangan bumito talaga. Ilayo ka ng konti.
Ang lahat ni Sir Duterte, ang lahat! Si Miss Lam, ang lahat na!
Okay, yan po sa Canton, okay. Anyway po sir, sige po.
Thank you sa CAS community, kay Sir Philip, sa commissioner ng buo ng league.
Opo.
Thank you, our Lord, binigay sa amin back-to-back.
Oh, back-to-back nga yun, back to back.
Next season, try namin, triple.
Triple yan, na 3-pit, you'll go for the 3-pit now, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, JS, ayaw, okay.
Bigyan po natin ang isang box from LBC.
Sir, dapat po sir.
Okay.
Mr. Renzo Manson.
Sir, teka lang. Harap ka po
Mr.
tayo,
Renzo
sir.
Manson,
Tayo. Champion tayo, sir!
Masali dyan!
Ano masasabi mo sa Canton Tan Connection?
Wala akong masabi! Nangyaki ako yung... Ako ba, coach nyo? Sino ba ba? Amampang. Kanina talaga, medyo mainit kanina talaga, pero masasabi natin talaga, sir. Sige po.
Sir, salamat.
Sir. Pray muna. Sir.
Back-to-back guys, Jo.
Tumiyak na naman kayo dahil sa'yo.
System!
Okay. Sino ba dito? Coach Owen, anywhere po sir, Coach Owen. Back-to-back champion now. You go now for the 3-pit next season? Ha? You go for the 3-pit? Okay, for 3-pit na. Basta kompleto talaga. Yun ang keyword. Kompleto talaga. Okay, good. Castor, anywhere po sir, Castor.
Nice team. Punta na Boracay.
Boracay. Mr. Roldan, another Hasselman. Sige po, Mr. Roldan. Another Hasselman po. Sige po.
Ano pong tanong sa... ano pong tanong, wala ako eh.
Abay, ano pa to?
Ayun, salamat dahil nag-back-to-back champion kami.
Okay.
And sa hustle and effort
Okay.
ng team. And
Okay.
see you next season, Boss
Sige.
Arvin.
Thank you sir. Thank you rin sir. Okay, thank you. Yan po ang Team CAS. Back-to-back champion. Season 3, Season 4, Season 5 champion. Maraming salamat po. Bilas nyo proceed na po sa ating Okay, Airport United. First placer po. Kudos po sa kanilang laro. They given a good fight pero still. Okay. Okay, thank you po. Airport United, congratulations. And proceeding also now sa ating pong
Congratulations for
presentation sa medal at sa Caligilier. Hello! Nice try guys, nice try. Kudos. Bawi tayo next season. Okay. Antayin po tayo sa Jagger call now sa ating pong champion. Yes.
Okay, now
Okay, presenting na the champion.
Okay, our season MVP goes to
Okay.
our Airport United number 8, Julius Babagay.
Ha? Season's MVP, Julius Babagay. Julius Babagay, season's MVP. Siya po pala ang season's MVP. Julius Babagay. Okay. Bagamat di na nakuha yung corona pero nakibabagay pala ang season's MVP. Congratulations Sir Babagay. Congratulations sir. Congratulations. Sige po. Julius, alam po natin po, for sure, you fought your heart talaga, pero still talaga, we know effort yan will bounce back po sa atin po next season po talaga. What expect po sa Airports United po, sir? We have to bounce back for sure.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat po kami kay Lord na natapos po namin yung season namin na injury-free.
Yes.
Tapos pag congrats din po namin yung cast.
Talagang eternal rival talaga.
So, bale, 2-all na.
2-all na.
Next season, gagawin pa rin namin yung best namin na babawian namin yung cast for sure. Babawi kami.
Okay.
Champion kami next season.
Pero still, kudos pa rin sa performance mo talaga for still talaga. Alam natin, meron mananalo, may patatalo talaga. Okay.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Sir Martin, sa inyo po.
Okay.
Mag-broadcast every Friday.
Okay lang. Para sa ano? Para sa liga talaga.
Thank you so much po. And thank you rin po sa mga nag-participate na din.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now, calling now Team CAS now for the awarding now for the champion trophy. And of course, including also the medals. Yan. Congratulations kay Babagay sa Palansing MVP. Okay, one by one. Okay. Trophy and medals to be received by all team members ng Team CAS. Congratulations. Of course, si Dalida, si Roldan, si Rivera. Yan, si Ramos. Yan, kagatin mo. Okay, si Lumawag. Nandiyan si Gillian. Nandiyan si number 5. Wag yung score, wag yung takpan. Okay. Si Perez. Oh. Yan na. Okay. Okay, paano World Cup yata? Paano World Cup? World Cup daw. World Cup. Ayan, si Canton, of course, si Rivera, yung kayong Martin Jeff combination, si Fonchera, si Lumawag, mga pamatay sunog po ni Mr. Ali, Coach Owen, of course. Sumama kayo dyan! Huwag kayo nahiya! Sumama kayo! Ayaw! Walang yang! Ano ba ito? Okay, congratulations! Okay. Okay. Sumama kayo.
Ako lang sa likod.
Ba't hindi? More energy to spare. Compress.
1, 2, 3. O, taas lang. Taas yung trophy, tapos turo lahat.
Wag yung ano.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. CAS, congratulations. Back-to-back champion. Bautista. Ilang porsyento na lang sa binigay mo ngayon? 10% ba?
Wala, pagod ako.
Ikaw yung taguro dito eh. Mr. Bautista, anywhere po Mr. Bautista.
Extra inspired.
Inspired siya talaga. Yan.
Extra inspired.
Okay. Nice game, boss. Sino pa ba dito? Yes, ano na, tapos na. Ay, si Lumawag. Liga rito. Hello, how are you? Miss Lumawag, yung mga riba mo kanina, kumakabit na kanina. Ano masabi mo, sir? Yes. Thank you. Okay, good. Champion attitude. Ikaw daw napili, ikaw hinaalay. Ariel Amampang. Siya po ang finals MVP. Nagulat ka? O yung mahal. Amampang Jasselman. Sir Amampang, congratulations. Of course, you receive also the medal also. Okay, extra medal po yan. Bonus medal para sa po yan. Sir Mampang, alam po natin sir, may puso talaga. Pusong leon, pusong ano talaga, pusong bakal ang pinairam mo kanina.
Talagang yung mga ka-teammates ko, talagang grabe. Talagang agaw buhay talaga yung...
Puspute talaga ano eh. At stake din kasi. You're the defending champion, your former defending champion. Nagsagukan muli sila, pero for sure kayo pa nag-prevail.
Talagang hanggang maubos yung hininga ng mga kasama ko. Talagang ito,
hindi to para sa akin, para sa kanila po lahat eh.
Okay, okay to. Do we see now a dynasty na para sa CAS? Dynasty or destiny pa rin po tayo?
Dynasty baka...
Dynasty na. Okay, makikita pa namin po ang CAS po next year para po sa 3-bit na po.
Sana. Practice pa rin. Hindi pa rin. Bilog pa rin yung muna eh.
Mas din talaga. Of course, dapat yung healthy ng team talaga.
Oo. Kapag wala lang ang injury, healthy na lahat. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir Mampang, thank you very much po. Hindi po, this concludes na po between Sir Mampang. Another season is ended. Afterwards po, coming soon po tayo, meron po, is po, that's no prediction to start at next year po. And of course, after the conference, another year naman po, yung blood po para Team CAS. Hindi, maraming salamat po, Sir Mampang. Bati na lang po tayo bago po tayo matapos. 1 minute to greet everybody you want, sir. Sige po.
Salamat sa asawa ko, sa anak ko, sa teammates ko lahat. Shout out sa kanila. Love you mga kapatid.
Okay, that's Mr. Ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Okay. Ito po. Ayan. Okay. Nakano ka ba, Jess? Nakalib ka? Nakalib ka? Huwag na. Kasi okay. Okay. Kung ayaw, wala sa loop. Okay, that concludes now our season this year. Thank you very much po. Thank you very much and congratulations po Team CAS po, Qatar Aviation Services. Okay. Thank you very much po. Yeah, thank you.